So this system is one of the best systems, in my personal opinion, that you can buy for under $500. The 400 watt sub sounds great. I only have a few complaints, but those are not from me, they're from my neighbors, because this thing shakes my entire apartment, even on half settings. My own personal complaint is, I would say that this speaker, the left speaker, the cable is a little bit too short for my personal liking. And it is a proprietary cord. I'm not too sure if you can get an actual extension for it. I haven't tried. I've only had it for like a week or something like that, but I love it. It sounds phenomenal. It literally shakes my entire apartment. I'm not complaining. 4 stars.
Six months of torture, still sounds great.
Here's an example of the scratching sound that the left speaker is making. The right speaker doesn't make it. Sounds just fine. And then with some music, sounds even worse.
Like a stream.